Hello guys, this is Miguel from the Caesar Zamora channel, Pokemon openings. The past days we've been playing up some very nice pulls, EXs, full arts, secret rares and stuff. You can see them on the channel. And behind me is the box that my brother opened earlier. I picked up this because I like that legendary birds and stuff. It only comes with 2 packs, which is $9.99. It's just kind of odd because they usually have 3 in the blister, but still nice cards. Let me just open this for you guys. I'm gonna keep the back. Whatever then. Let's go on to the openings. Excuse me. Alright. It's pretty hard to open, but bear with me please. You got Black and White Next Destinies. I've never seen that kind of pack before. And the Plasma Freeze, I had good luck with that. Here's the 3 holographics. I'll sleeve those in a bit and show you in some other video. Alright, the first packs, I just go with Plasma Freeze. Oh, these packs are easy to open. Horsey, Trigo, Grimer, Yamask, Time Pole, Sneasel, Glaceon, it's a red card, Team Plasma Badge, Vanillish, and Superior Energy Retrieval. So the rare was the Glaceon. This is the Reverse Hollow Sneasel. Alright. Sorry, I'm recording in the bathroom. Everything's all icky in here. Our last pack is the Next Destinies. I used to collect packs too. I stopped doing that, I just ripped the pack. P-Dove, Blitzel, Ferroseed, Hippopotamus, Growlite, Lapras Reverse. Oh, looks pretty cool. It's uncommon. Jellicent is a rare. Another Lapras, Dueran, Imagula. And this is that. So, not a really good pulse, but it's okay. I'll buy more. Goodbye.